Welcome to Math TV with Professor V. It's Sunday, October 16th, 2022, 6 a.m. on the dot. Wow. And I have a lovely little integral for you today. We have integral of tangent to the fourth 2t dt. So there's different strategies depending on which trig functions you have and what powers they're raised to. But if you forget the strategies, just think to yourself, what would I like to integrate instead of this? We don't know the antiderivative of tangent to the fourth. I don't even know the antiderivative of tangent squared off the top of my head, but I can integrate secant squared, and I know I can get there using tangent squared. So that feels like a good route to take to me. That's how I think to myself. So I'm going to break this up into tangent squared 2t times tangent squared 2t dt. And then we're going to go ahead, use our Pythagorean identity, and replace one of the tangent squareds with secant squared 2t minus 1. Now, if you forgot your Pythagorean identities, then you are in trouble. Now's a good time to just memorize them and put it somewhere safe in your brain so it doesn't slip out. You're going to need them. All right, from here, what we're going to do is distribute now this tangent squared 2t through, and you'll see why we're so excited right now. So we've got tangent squared 2t dt. No, tangent squared 2t secant squared 2t minus tangent squared 2t and then dt. I got too excited there. Okay, so let's think what we would do. I can evaluate this using u substitution. I'm going to let u be just tangent 2t. Not tangent squared, just tangent 2t. Because derivative of tangent 2t would be 2 secant squared 2t. So we're in business. Perfect. What about this? Not good. So what we're going to do is, again, replace this with secant squared 2t minus 1. So I'm going to split these up into two integrals, okay? One's going to need a u sub, one will not. So we've got here tangent squared 2t secant squared 2t dt minus integral. Instead of tangent squared 2t, what I'm going to write is secant squared 2t minus 1 dt, okay? Boom. So from here now we can go ahead and use our u substitution for the first integral. So we're going to let u just be tangent 2t. Then du would be 2 secant squared 2t dt, which I have right here. So that means 1/2 du is secant squared 2t dt. So this integral is going to be u squared, and then we have a 1/2 du. Integrating from there gives me 1/2 times 1/3 u cubed plus c1. So this is 1/6. U was tangent 2t, so tangent cubed 2t plus c1. That guy is done. Okay, what about the next integral? You shouldn't need to u sub just because of this 2, right? We know all that's going to happen is you're going to pick up an extra 1/2. So for the second integral, shall I number them? This is 1, this is 2. So integral of secant squared 2t minus 1 dt. This is just going to be a 1/2. Keep the argument the same, tangent 2t minus t plus c2. Okay, and then for our final answer, just be careful. We need to subtract these two integrals. So you're going to change the sign on each of these terms. Okay, good. So putting everything together, you know what's so snazzy to do? Like, you don't have to, but it just shows that you care. Like, let's rewrite the original integral. It wasn't even that long, but then it's oh so clear that you know what's going on. So 1/6 tangent cubed 2t. Remember, we're subtracting the second antiderivative. So minus 1/2 tangent 2t plus now t plus c. And I'm going to specify, hey, who is this c? Let me tell you. C is equal to c1 minus c2. How beautiful. Yeah, keep track of your constants meticulously. My differential equations professor at the university, he was a stickler, and I had wished that while I was in calculus 2, I had been more precise. Okay, so now's the time to learn. Instead of breaking bad habits later, just learn to do everything properly from the get-go, right? Isn't that fabulous? So that concludes the integral of the day. Hope you enjoyed it. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. You can also click the join button to become a member of this channel. You'll have access to uploads before everybody else or exclusive content, different kinds of perks. And you can also catch me on Instagram and TikTok at MathTV with Professor V. See you soon, guys.